Hello, everybody. This is Bill Volpe with the Volpe Consortium, your local internet marketing resource. And of course, we can be found at www.localinternetmarketingresource.com. Today, I wanted to take a few moments and actually talk to you about how to create a Facebook vanity URL. So strap on in for a couple of minutes and let's see if we can't drive some really new and really fresh traffic to your websites via Facebook. What you can see right here is that I've actually gone ahead and Googled my name, William H. Volpe III, and I forgot to capitalize my first name, but Google really doesn't care about that, so we're happy. But we can see that, aside from the LinkedIn item being directly at the top, that Facebook is actually number 2 because I have a Facebook vanity URL for William H. Volpe III. So this is very important because Facebook's the number 2 site on the web, and so it ranks very high when you use your keyword terms, and you want to be able to dominate those pages when people are looking for you for your keywords. So let's move right along here. You can see here, I've actually taken us to the local internet marketing resource Facebook page, which is, of course, the Volpe Consortium. And that I've got approximately 2,048 likes on this. I guess I shouldn't say approximately since that's the exact number, but that's how many likes I have on this page, and we don't see too much underneath it, but this is definitely our fan page for the local internet marketing resource. Additionally, if you look above in the URL line, where you can see www.facebook.com. You will also see that the page is named www.facebook.com/local internet marketing resource. So local internet marketing resource is going to search very well here. This is important when you want your keywords and you want your Facebook site to really be coming up for those searches. Now, some things have changed lately, and they might change again. I mean, Facebook's always changing things, of course. But you can see below, as I mentioned, that I have 2,048 likes on this page. It is very possible you will need to get approximately 25, 50 likes or so before you can actually set up a vanity URL, but that's fairly easy to achieve, so you shouldn't have any problems there. But in this particular case, I do have 2,048 likes on this page, so everything works accordingly. If you actually have enough likes on your Facebook page, your fan page. Now keep in mind, this is a fan page, not a personal page. You are not going in here and actually setting up a local internet marketing resource user. It's not being set up as a person, it's being set up as a fan page. So this is very important. It's a separate lesson because here we're just talking about the vanity URL for fan pages, but you must make sure that it's actually set up as a fan page and not as a person. So please keep that in mind. But when you go to your fan page, you have an edit page button, and you can actually go to edit page and update info. You can see update info is at the very top here. And if we update info, we will see that it takes us to a page that looks very much like this one. We have a number of white boxes that stand out, and they tend to stand out more prominently than anything else. But on the second row, we see that we have username. And username, as it will tell you, shows you that you can now direct people to www.facebook.com/local internet marketing resource. And that will take people right to our Facebook fan page. Now, clearly, I've already gone ahead and added our vanity URL for this fan page, but I'm going to go ahead and show you how we can do that and make sure that you look at the username because it's not like all the other white boxes. It can be a little bit more hidden on the page simply because it doesn't stand out as well as everything else. Moving right along though, we can see that at the top here in the URL, we have a www.facebook.com/pages/edit/? ID equals as long number equals basic. This is the type of URL you will get if you do not use a vanity URL, if you do not use something that actually has your keywords in it, if you don't use something that actually has your business name in it. And clearly, this isn't going to make Google as happy as actually having the words, in this particular case, local or internet marketing resource. So this is one of the reasons that we want to do the vanity URLs. We want those URLs picked up so that they can actually be seen and actually give us some Google love and send some traffic to our websites and send some business to our websites via our Facebook pages. When you go ahead and click on, excuse me, I'm going to go back one page. When you go ahead and click on change your username, you will get this page right here where it says each page can have a username. Now, in this particular situation, I'm seeing that I have local internet marketing resource is the page name, and I went ahead and called it local internet marketing resource. Kind of silly of me, but that's kind of what I did, simply because I thought it worked out well for the keyword terms. You can check your availability there, and it will give it to you if it's available. Now, clearly, I'm not going to go ahead and change my name because I've already got this page set up. But moving forward, we can see that if you go ahead and you have more than one page, you can click on the down arrow where it says local internet marketing resource, and you will see that I have other pages in here. I have Road Warrior Diaries. I have BBX Eliminator, Top Business Books, Project Victories, the Deli Sub, Volpe Distilleries, the Volpe Consortium. I have several pages here of things that I'm doing for other people as well as myself, and I can select that page and I can actually type in a vanity URL for any one of those given pages. So that's very important to make sure that if you have multiple fan pages that you're actually selecting the right page. And when you do, you go ahead and select a page, and the box to the right, not the drop down box where you're actually selecting your page name, but the box to the right is where you can type in what you would like the vanity URL to be, and you can go ahead and check availability on that vanity URL. So, once again, I had the local internet marketing resource. You can see in the blue highlighted area that this is where you would type in what you want to call your URL. Now, I didn't put any underscores in it. It has to all be run together. If you're looking for it to be spaced out, you'd have to put underscores in it. But those are not things that you generally want to do from a Google search engine perspective, because sometimes you actually have to put the underscores in for them to find you. So you want to try and stay away from using underscores. It really depends on who you listen to for SEO at the time. But this is the preferred method that I use, is local internet marketing resource without the underscores. And of course, I would check availability. Since I know that it was available, since I actually got it, you can see that the link below actually says http://www.facebook.com/local internet marketing resource. So I actually have local internet marketing resource now with the second largest site on the web. So this will actually come up in searches and be very prominent. You can use this with your keywords. You can use this with your business. You can use this for many ways of doing things, but you certainly do not want to use the user ID number that has no worth whatsoever as far as your keywords and your business goes. So this is very important. So that has been vanity URLs for Facebook. And you can see here again that our company URL is thevolpeconsortium.com, and our blog URL is, of course, www.thelocalinternetmarketingresource.com. The localinternetmarketingresource.com is, of course, doesn't have the THE because it's written here that way without the THE. And if you have any questions at all, by all means, please go to our blog, hit the contact form, go ahead and ask me any questions you might have. I want this information to be beneficial to you. I hope that it was. If you find blog posts, join the community, comment on these, and ask any questions you have there also. But certainly become active with your community at the local internet marketing resource.com. Be active with your community for other businesses and discuss these things for the companies that you're working with and the companies that may even be competitors or may even be in part of your small business association. But certainly discuss where things are going and where they see them headed, because those keywords are going to be absolutely, positively, no pun intended, key. That's why they call them keywords. So you want to have this Vanity URL because it really makes a difference. So, once again, I am Bill Volpe with the Volpe Consortium, your local internet marketing resource, and I hope that this has been beneficial for you. Until next time and our next training tomorrow, I hope you do well, and I hope that this has been of great benefit to you. Thank you very much.